Here's how to make a super delicious Caramilk Cheesecake. Crush out digestive biscuits using a food processor or a bag and rolling pin. Then pour them into a bowl and mix with melted butter. Line an 8-inch cake tin, then pour in the base and press down firmly. For the filling, melt Caramilk chocolate in the microwave, then let it cool slightly. Whisk double cream to stiff peaks, then in another bowl, whisk together cream cheese, icing sugar and the melted Caramilk chocolate until combined. Fold in the whipped cream, then scoop it onto your base and smooth it out. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours, or overnight is best. Run a knife around the edge to loosen it and remove it from the tin. For the topping, melt Caramilk and double cream in the microwave, stirring gently until smooth. Let it cool slightly, then pour it over the cheesecake and smooth it out. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. I was impatient and my topping didn't fully set, so don't do that. Decorate with whipped cream and Caramilk chocolate, and that's it. Enjoy!
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An expired, exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired, exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games.
You've never tried making French toast with Hawaiian rolls? You have to stop everything you're doing right now and go try out this pumpkin pie version. It's so cozy, it makes your house smell like fall, and it's really easy to make. If you got time, let the rolls sit out overnight to dry up. If you don't, that's okay too. Then in a bowl, you'll combine half and half eggs, pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, light brown sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Mix that all together until it looks just like this, and then we're gonna start dunking them and toasting them in butter in a pan over medium heat. Turn them around every minute or two until each side is beautifully golden, and then you can add some maple syrup and whipped cream and more pumpkin pie spice on top to enjoy. The sound of these creme brulee donuts tells you everything you need to know about this recipe. It's basically everything you want in the perfect dessert. You have a fluffy donut, delicious custard filling, and then that crackly sugar on top. To some more milk, you're going to add instant yeast, sugar, and salt, as well as an egg, and whisk that together until smooth. Then add all-purpose flour and softened butter and combine that together until you have a dough, and let it rise in a warm place until super fluffy like this. While it rises, we'll make our custard, so you're going to combine cornstarch, salt, sugar, and egg yolks until it looks like that, and then we're going to warm up some milk with vanilla extract and vanilla bean and slowly incorporate that in. Then we'll add it back into the heat and let it thicken up just like this, add some butter, and mix that in together, and that's basically it. Now we'll roll out our dough, punch out our hearts, and let them rise for about 30 minutes. After that, we fry the donuts until beautifully golden and fill them with the custard. For the brulee, we're going to cook down some sugar and water to caramelize it, and then dip each donut in that and allow it to cool until hardened. And now all that's left to do is eat your heart out and enjoy. There's this bakery called Cream Pan that my mom and I would go to at least once a week and wait in a really long line just to get some strawberry croissants. But now that I live further away and I'm craving them, I thought let's make them at home and even better. Whisk together cornstarch, sugar, and salt, and then you're going to add your egg yolks, beat that until fluffy, and then add in some heated milk and vanilla extract, cook until it thickens up, and then swirl in some butter. Now this recipe is super easy because we're going to be using puff pastry as the dough. Just brush with some egg wash and pop in the oven to bake to golden perfection. Once they're done, slice open, add the strawberries, lots of custard, and finish off with a dusting of powdered sugar. Now all that's left to do is enjoy.
Here's how to make the best grilled cheese sandwich. First, thickly slice your sourdough bread. Mix together softened butter, garlic powder, and shredded cheese and spread it on the outer side of each slice. Add a slice of provolone, Colby Jack, then spread on the softened cream cheese, a bit of mayo, and these listed spices. Add a slice of Havarti, then the top piece of bread. In a skillet, melt some butter over medium-low heat, then add in your sandwiches, lower the heat, cover with a lid, and allow it to toast through, then flip and repeat. And that is all. Enjoy!